Hello, my name's Dan and welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how we can send information from Retell to the likes of N8N and Make in a secure way by implementing a Cloudflare worker to check the signature that is sent from Retell is valid. So what do we need to do? So first of all, we need to go to Cloudflare Workers and we're going to set up the worker. Very simply, we go to Cloudflare Workers here on the left. We scroll down, we go to Workers and Pages. We create a new worker, and what we're going to do now is we're going to start with this one here. Start with Hello World. We start with Hello World and we're just simply going to deploy that worker there. So here we edit the code. We can see the code. This is the default code, the Hello World code that it comes with. Just get rid of that and copy the correct code. So in order to get this code, all I did was I worked with Claude and I got it to write some code that was going to do this job for me. That we've tested it together and it works. So I now go back. Oh, save changes. I do want to save those changes. And what I want to do is I want to go to settings now. We need to add variables and secrets. So by adding a variable and secret here, we're going to start with text and we're going to add the N8N webhook. And where do we get the value from? Well, if we go to N8N here and we're simply going to create a new workflow, we add in a webhook here, and here we can see we get the new webhook with production. Very important, we press production. We're going to copy that, go back to Canvas, and we're going to click active. So we're going to activate the workflow. Got it? Yes. So now we can go back to the Cloudflare worker and we simply paste in the N8N webhook there. So basically when Retell sends information from Retell, it's going to go to Cloudflare worker first, then on to N8N. So we just press deploy and we need to add another secret now. So this time, instead of going to text, we'll go to secret and we're going to say Retell API and we're going to press webhook. We're going to type webhook secret. Now this is really important because the first time I did this, I was using my standard Retell API key and it just kept failing. And it wasn't until I actually went into Retell, which I will do here. We go to API keys. We can see that we've got our standard API key, the one that we get for making calls, making changes to agents, etc. But we've also got this secret webhook one, and that's the one we want. So we copy that, go back to the Cloudflare worker and paste in that value there and deploy. And that's it. We've set up the Cloudflare worker now and we've connected it to both N8N and Retell. What do we need to do? Well, if I go back here, deploy version, deploy, I'm going to get a URL. Now, where do I get that URL from? View this worker. And here we are. Can you see the URL up here? And we're going to go back to Retell, back to agents. And here I've got my Stanton on the Wolds Golf Club prompt here. Now, in your agent settings, we've got webhook settings. Now, this is where you would put that URL that I just copied from Cloudflare. You'd put it in here. Now, this is the one that I've got here, the N8N bridge one, which if we go back to Cloudflare workers and we go to worker pages, you can see that I've got that Retell N8N bridge there. So that one's all set up and ready to go. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a call and you will see how this information goes from Retell now to gets executed in N8N via the Cloudflare worker. but with the guarantee that we've got the signature verified.
Hello, my name is Alex, an AI receptionist at Stanton-on-the-Wolds Golf Club. How can I help you today?
Yes, I'd like to book a tee time, please.
Excellent. What date were you hoping to play?
Do you have any space available on Monday morning? Is that the 5th or the 4th of August?
Monday is August 4th, 2025. Would you like to book for Monday, August 4th?
Yeah, do you have any space available about 10 o'clock in the morning?
Let me check what we have available for Monday, August 4th at 10 o'clock in the morning. We have availability on Monday, August 4th from 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock in the morning. How many players will be in your group?
There are 4 of us.
May I start with your name, please?
Sure, my name's Dan.
Thank you, Dan. Could I get your email address for the booking confirmation?
Yep, it's dan@gmail.com.
Perfect. And what's the best contact phone number, please?
602-573-309.
Just to confirm, your phone number is 602-573-309. Is that correct?
That's perfect, yes.
Do all players in your group have handicap certificates?
Oh, yes.
Excellent. Your tee time is confirmed for Monday, August 4th at 10 o'clock in the morning for 4 players. The green fee is £70 per person. Please arrive 30 minutes early for check-in. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly at dan@gmail.com. Thanks, see you soon. Thanks, see you soon.
Okay, I've got a double see you soon there. So I'm going to go to overview. I'll go to my golf club tee times, which we can see here. Let's make that a little bit larger. Here we are. We can see here we've got golf club tee times. So what we're looking for, this starts the automation. We're looking to see if the information did indeed come in from Cloudflare. So let's click executions. We can see at 14:59. Double check the time. Yes, that's round about now. So that's the one we want. That will be the call analyzed data. Let's double click in here and we can see that we've got the Cloudflare loop thing here. So we know that that's been connected via Cloudflare and the information's come in from there. Brilliant. And we can see that the source is Retell AI, that the event type is call analyzed. So we've got the correct data. We've got the call ID. We've got the agent ID. We're getting all the information. We've got the dynamic variables, which we set up as a custom function in, sorry, not as a custom function, as a function in Retell. And that's picked out all the name, all the information that we need there. Dan@gmail.com. Dan is my name, 602-573-309. Handicap true, number of players 4, reason for call, book tee time. Great. That's the dynamic variables. We can actually look down a little bit here as well. And just there's the recording URL, all the information that we need that came through. We've got the Costa details as well. We've got the custom analysis data as well. Again, with the same information that we picked up during the gather details function. Why do we need to do this? So we need to show our customers that we actually take their data very seriously and that security is always high on the agenda when we're building agents. It protects us against attacks and webhook spoofing and things like that. So it's not just about sending unverified data to N8N, we're actually creating a security checkpoint. So hopefully this video has proved of some use to you. If you want the code, I'll put a link in the description below. Just take that. And if you've enjoyed the video, just give me a thumbs up. Beyond that, look forward to seeing you again in the near future.